I'm not marketing, I'm not paid by these guys or something. My name is Parthasarathi. So I was a student of September 11 evening batch of GMAT intensive course. So when it comes to my educational background, I've completed my BE in EEE and I passed out in the year 2018. So after that, I started my GMAT journey, knowing I will not, hit my target score within the first attempt. So I just started my research very slowly, and whatever a new GMAT test taker would do, I've done everything, buying official guides, taking official mocks, randomly going and giving GMAT without even knowing what are the sections. All these mistakes even I feel I have done. And after 2 years, luckily I got to know about GMAT Co through Siranjeev actually. So I was just randomly searching for some tutors or some kind of help, that will help me get to my target score. So that's when I got to know about Chiranjeev Singh. And later on, when I started researching a bit more, I came to know that okay, there are two tutors who have a company together, who have a course that they have designed together. So I was like, okay, why not just go and search what all are there in their website? But actually, it was not a normal website. I should be frank about that. A lot of motivations were there, and I could see what the course is going to do just after a glance of the website. So that was the beauty of it. A lot of tips that would actually help you. You need not even register for the course, but from the website I got a lot of motivations actually. So that's when I was like, okay, this is very different. And later on, I came to know about GMAT intensive course. First, I was not able to enroll because already the course was started. So then, after a few days, after a month, I guess, there was a pop-up saying September 11 course is starting. I didn't have any second thoughts because I just wanted to try. I've tried many things, and here, live tutors are teaching something, so it might add on some value, which actually I feel was missing in other online materials. Like many famous materials, I have taken everything. So it was that one particular aspect was missing. So I was like, okay, we will just try this also. We will see where this takes me. So, but everything was just something unreal after enrolling that course. Right from the pre-session that you give even before the first course, I still remember that headstand. I don't know how many of them take it seriously, but I took it very seriously. So that was a great start. A lot of positives, a lot of motivation that I've got, more than techniques or whatever. That's obviously your intention, I feel. More than the techniques or shortcuts. You never teach any shortcuts. That's the second part. But a lot of motivations. You made all of us feel that down the lane you are going to get it, buddy. So that was your approach, and I guess it helped me a lot apart from GMAT as well. So now I've started seeing many things differently. So that was one big takeaway of this GMAT intensive course. Yeah. The uniqueness of the course, I just want to talk about it. The thing is that many online courses, they just teach you the concepts. What is algebra? What is CR? How you should go about it. They will just throw you some questions and they will just try to explain it from their perspective. But when it comes to GMAT intensive, what you really did was just take a question, gave us that ample amount of time, making us engage in pre-sessions where all these session questions will already be there. So you just gave us the time, gave us that foundation. What's this class going to, teach you? So that was something really had a great impact, I would tell you. Because basically, if you're just seeing a question and if you're just trying to solve it, I don't think we can figure many things out. But when we are given a chance before session, and when we can actually sit even for 1 hour per question and try to solve in our perspective, after that attending a class, and where you will just take things very slowly. You will not rush through things. You will just entertain everyone to ask questions, where even questions that I didn't have, people will ask. So actually that helped us a lot. And you will give a very straightforward, logical approach, nothing else. No shortcuts, no predefined techniques. Each and every question is different, but just the basic fundamental things that has to be done, what all things that you should respect. So that you taught us, which actually gradually guided us to answers, which made us feel, okay, this is just a logical approach. Everyone can do this. So it was not something surreal, or it was not like, okay, topper only can do this, or an average person can do this. It was like so logical, so easy flowing. That's what I felt, really helped us a lot. And I know GMAT Intensive is ready-made course, but if given a chance of doing something like customer ready or something like that, I feel everyone will want this course only. What exactly you have, everyone will want this. Even if you are not showing this before, but you are just asking a person randomly, what is that you're expecting? This is the same thing that the person will want, because I have seen all courses, all top-notch courses I have seen. I have just missed these things. Having a pre-session, just working on it, and then in the sessions also discussing the same thing, where I would have missed so many things. And I don't know why I'm missing these things. You will be just pointing it out. See, this is why, this is the thing which many people miss, and this is why this happens. And you made us take, certain notes, saying, okay, you just make a note of it. It might help you in the future. So that was really unique about this course. And I guess it will take many people to a very great height, actually, in their GMAT journey. It will just take them to an elevated level. Actually, the live sessions were 2 hours. Yeah. So we would just discuss each and every word that is there. So which was very, very important, which I didn't realize until I enrolled for this course. Every word, how it plays and how you should deal about it. So that was very intense in that course. Apart from that, we also had doubt sessions, but unfortunately, I have never attended any doubt sessions. It was actually because of your advice. What you generally recommended all the students to do is to practice on their own. Just first solve the questions, then see where you went wrong, why it is wrong, how you could have got it correct. So I was taking that very seriously. So after a session is done, I'll just take that question again. I would just forget what all happened in the class. I will again try to do that question, and I will see where it has gone wrong and why I have gone wrong. And even though I didn't attend the live doubt clearing sessions, I used to see the session recordings where many people had the same doubts that I had, and I was very happy about it that many people are having such doubts. And after I solved it, and after listening to you, so it gave me a lot of information that I wouldn't have got it easily. But since I did that extra work, and after that, seeing how you do it, it gave me a clarity. Okay, so this applies to all questions. No, this doesn't apply to all questions. Like that, I got like so many clarity in each and every topic, in each and every technique. So that was one takeaway for me because of this live session. I feel that happened where many times I can interpret questions in different ways, but after that interpretation is done, when I look at your way of approach, so it is like seeing some other chess player play a game differently, and I'm playing this game differently. So I just got to know what's the difference, where I am faltering. So that was the big takeaway for me from the live sessions. So when I talk about Anish, so it's just fun. I will be just waiting for both the instructors to take the classes equally. When it comes to Anish, actually, it was all very slow, very logic oriented, and at the same time, I felt there is a sense of slowing down when I saw the approach that Anish handled. I wanted to slow down actually because no one does that in GMAT world. So no one wants to do that because they already have a predefined deadline and they just want to rush things through and just somehow get to the score. Even I was in the same pool, but I have now started to slow things down. And when it comes to CJ, he just makes us feel everything is possible. So that's one big thing that CJ does in everyone's mind actually when we attend the class. And both of them are just like-minded. So it's not like, Anish does one thing and CJ does one thing, it contradicts. No, it never contradicts. 100 out of 100, any question, if you ask them, they will be just solving it in the same way. And because it is logically approachable. So that is what is GMAT is testing us. And both of them just, stress on that fact enough that after the courses are done, you will just see each and every questions, you will just see to solve it in a logical approach. So that is what Anish and CJ, they both do. I guess two gems, they have just bonded together to form a course like this, where everyone is like-minded, no one has any difference of opinion or conflict of interest. That was actually beautiful. Whatever Anish takes in one class, it will replicate in CJ's class. CJ will use the same approach, same words, even at some extent. So that actually got us through the same direction. It was coherent actually. So that really helped us a lot. So thanks a lot, guys, for not confusing us and giving us actually like a lot of clarity, which many books, many video sessions will definitely fail, because each and every student will come up with certain doubts at each and every point of time. When you are trying to solve a question, they might not understand it, but when you take that extra effort, they may try to understand it. So that depth was very unique with both CJ and Anish. First of all, whether you are first time takers, retakers, wherever you are in this GMAT journey, just stop everything. Just please stop. Just try to slow things down. If you would like to go to website of Anish and CJ, please just go ahead. You just read their blogs, which will automatically give you like a lot of positivities. I would recommend 10 out of 10 people to join this course. I will tell you two reasons. One is the important lesson that I have learned from GMAT Intensive is you can do how much hard work you can. Everyone is capable of giving their best, but are you giving that in the right direction? I guess that is one USPs that you guys have. Sending people in that right direction is what you do. After that, doing that hard work, taking that extra mile, it is with us. No one can force us to do that, but that's extremely important to set the hard work in the right tone, right direction. So that is number one. Number two, you will know that there is nothing different like GMAT world. That was something surreal. You just smashed all those myths with just official questions, where I had different assumptions before coming to the class, which actually I could see that has drastically reduced my confidence, that has drastically reduced my marks. So I felt like I have to memorize a lot. But you guys taught us, don't memorize, just internalize it. Do it on your own. Just, unveil things on your own. So that was something which every GMAT aspirant should go through. Because everyone falters at these two things. They either go in the wrong direction, just don't analyze things properly, or they don't know why they are doing things wrong, number one. And number two is that they just want to rush things. They don't want to sit and see what actually GMAT tests, what actually is happening in GMAT. Many people, they don't know when they are actually preparing. So if you want to really get these two fundamental core things straight, which will actually help you in the GMAT, then definitely GMAT Intensive is the best place where you can taste it. And as far as I'm concerned, I'm using the CR tracker that you guys have given, which is extremely helpful. I'm able to see where I'm going wrong. I'm spending that extra time to understand why this option is right, why this option is wrong, which you guys have taught each and every person to just do it. So, one more big takeaway. Investing time is not equal to wasting time, which you used to tell us all the time. So I'm just reaping all that yields right now. So it's helping me a lot in my GMAT practice. I have slowed down my approach. It is actually not hampering me, to be frank. Slowing down has actually improved my accuracy, which is in turn improving my confidence that, okay, I can do such difficult questions. I can handle such medium questions. And time is speed is obviously the product of all these collective measures that you take, which is the ultimate goal of you guys. So there are many goals that you guys take. I would take even a day to just talk about your course, but you're just giving me 20 minutes, so that has actually restricted me. But still, anyone who wants to have a clear cut path, have a positive mind towards all questions, please go with GMAT Intensive. I'm not marketing, I'm not paid by these guys or something. So I have struggled a lot, and now I can see why I have struggled and how I'm going to react. So that was a great transition for me, and I can see that my destination is not far away, which before I never felt. I was like 700 is going to be something I will take at least 6-7 years. To be frank, I was on and off. Whenever I was disappointed, I will just take it. But after this GMAT intensive, a lot of positive vibes has come, and I could see each and every questions, what it exactly means to me, what it exactly means in the GMAT question, what is the purpose of this question. So that clarity, I guess everyone should have. If you want to have, please go ahead with GMAT intensive.